Another buck down. 8-pointer this time. I went up 2 points with my bow. Oh man, what a great hunt. So let me just tell you what happened after I get my coffee going here. I get out to my stand and I heard about probably 5 or more deer start sprinting through the woods here. And I was like, oh, that's a good sign. Last time this happened is what these deer did. They went into those pine trees and then they came back out once they felt comfortable. So I sat in this tree here, and it's a rifle opener, but I'd rather use my bow. So what happened, I climbed up my stand here, my tree climber, and I got all my stuff organized. I got my bow holder up here, I got my camera holder, I got my umbrella for using it as a side blind for these deer, which helped out shoot this buck, which is awesome. And this buck came in and he starts putting his forehead on the branches, just rubbing it on there, rubbing the scent on there. And he comes in, and it's funny because I have a little ground blind that I made there for Bryce. And Bryce had the same experience. The deer came right up to him, and if he was in that spot right now, today, the deer would have done the same exact thing. So anyways, the deer sits right here, starts eating the acorns for about 30 minutes, and I've been just waiting for more deer to come, and it's all I do is bow hunt. So for me, this is awesome. And in Virginia, you get 6 deer, so that's my 3rd deer. So I can shoot 1 more buck after this one, and 2 more does. Fun. I do want to show you guys this. On the side of my tree, I put those umbrellas, and I use that as a way to block myself. It's a blind, a tree blind. So you can see from this. So that's my tree blind. When the deer was right there, I was able to pull back without him seeing it on this side. So, paid off. He's down. He's down. All right. So we're just coming over here. That's where I shot him. There's my arrow. It's already dry. I don't see any blood yet. I cannot find a single trace of blood. But there he is right there. I see him.